Dear students, I am going to explain the second lab program of web programming lab. The second program, it is telling that write a JavaScript that calculates the squares and cubes of the numbers from 0 to 10 and outputs HTML text that displays the resulting values in an HTML table format. It means we have to enter the numbers from 0 to 10 and output should be the web page which contains the table which have squares and cubes of the numbers from 0 to 10. So this is the we can see the our output should be like that. Here I have executed the program. So in the table format we should enter 0 to 10 number, and as the output it should be in the square. All the numbers should be squared and cubed from 0 to 10. So this is our output. So let us start the program. So it's a very simple program. It's a kind of calculator program in JavaScript. So HTML head, and we are giving a title name calculator program. Close the head. Then body part. We are creating a table with a table tag. We'll align it in the center and border equal to 1. Even border you can give 5 also, or 2, 3. This border is nothing but this outer side, it is 1 pixel. If I give here 5, then it will become more bold and dark. So in the table we are creating a row. In the row we are entering the data, number, square and cube. So first data in the table is number, square and cube. We are closing the row. Next we are creating the script. Script type equal to text or JavaScript, because this program need to be written in the JavaScript. So we are starting a script here. So script type equal to text or JavaScript. For variable n equal to 0, n less or equal to 10, n plus plus. Then document dot write. We are using this document dot write function. We can enter the value in the HTML web page. So document dot write trtd. In the next row, next data will be plus n, or n is 0, and close the data. Then again create a new data, enter n into n, that means square value. Again close the data of the table, then create new data in the same row and enter the value n into n into n, and close the data table, close the row of the table. So this n will be executed. First n equal to 0. So here it will enter 0, 0 into 0, 0 into 0 into 0, 0. So in the second row, it will enter 0, 0, 0. Then n plus plus, n will become 1, 1 is less than 10, correct? So it will enter 1, 1 into 1, 1 into 1 into 1. So it will become 1, 1, 1. Then n equal to 2, 2 is less than 10, correct? So it will enter 2, 2 into 2, 4, and 2 into 2 into 2, 8. So 2, 4, 8 it will enter. And it will keep going on till n equal to 10. So like that 0 to 10, all the value you can get in square and cube form. Then close the script, close the table, close the body, and close the HTML. Thank you.